Here are 3 things to know before selling your older parents' home. Number 1, the process is going to take longer than you ever imagined. Think about it. Your folks have probably lived in that house for many, many years, some of them 30 years, like forever. And the process is just going to take longer, not just from a physical standpoint, but also the whole emotional piece of it. Secondly, the stuff. Oh my gosh, if your parents are like mine, they have so much stuff. They've traveled the world, they've seen things, they've collected. You know how our parents are. They just have lots of stuff. So once all of the treasures, memories, have been distributed to family members and all of that's out of the house, then consider perhaps an estate sale, or maybe you want to rent a dumpster and just load all that stuff up and get rid of it. And last but not least, don't be surprised if once your folks are out of the house, the condition of the home is not what you expected, unless you're one of those whose dad was just meticulous about keeping everything in great shape. But what I find is a lot of people, as they age, they're just not able to keep up with the condition of their home. So there may be a laundry list of things that need to be taken care of before you get ready to sell mom and dad's home. Many of our parents haven't moved in years, and many of them had no intentions of moving. Patience is key. I promise you'll get through it.